Orthopedic Lab is pleased to announce its 3D foot scanning application, Bio3DFootScan. In this video, we'll go over the initial steps needed to prepare for sending us your custom foot orthotics orders. First, ensure that your Apple device is connected to a network and has access to the internet. Next, we'll set up an email account onto the device. Keep in mind, all emails from the email account will be visible to anyone using the device. We suggest avoiding using personal emails and encourage creating a new email or using a general office email. While all orders are sent from the app utilizes the email account that is set up on the device to send the orders to Bio Orthopedic Lab. If you need to create a new email, here's how you can set up a free Gmail account. Open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Click on Create Account, select For My Work or Business, then select Get a Gmail address and follow the prompts to enter your information, such as your name, desired email address, and password. Complete the verification steps and agree to the terms and conditions. Once your account is created, you'll be taken to your new Gmail inbox. Your email is now ready to use. To set up the email, click on your Settings app and scroll down to Mail. Open the Mail settings and click on Accounts. Then, click on Add Account. Select the email platform to be added to the device and follow the setup on the screen. Once you've successfully added the email account, you should be able to access the inbox in the Mail app. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, you may open your Mail app and send a test email to yourself. This will verify that your email account is properly set up and ready to send orders. Now let's download the Bio3DFootScan app. Open the App Store. Search Bio3DFootScan. Click on Get, and once downloaded, open the app. When you first launch the app, it will load the bundle code. Once the download is complete, you will see an information message. Click OK. After that, the app will refresh, and you need to find the app on your home screen to relaunch it. When you launch the app, you'll be greeted with an authentication form. This is a one-time form that needs to be filled out to send out orders. Fill out required fields and click Register. Now, let's make some necessary adjustments to the in-app settings. Click on the 3 black bars in the top right corner to access the settings menu. The first setting we will adjust is Sensor under Scan. If you are scanning with a structure sensor scanner, leave the setting as iStructure. If you will be using the front-facing camera of your Apple device, select Liberty 2.0. Next, if you will be attaching a scanning mirror to your Apple device, turn on True Depth Mirror Mode. Finally, under Scan with Color, you have an option to pick Per Vertex, which allows for scanning in color, or None, which will make the image blue. Choose according to preference. For the final step in the setup process, we are going to set up all the practitioners in your office. It's important to create practitioners for your office one time, as the information placed here will auto-populate to the work order that is added to your scan. Click on the 3 black bars on the top right side of the screen to go to the app's settings. Select Practitioners. Then, click on New Practitioner and fill out the required fields. Once completed, click on Save Information. Repeat this process for all other practitioners if needed. Please note, you can immediately begin scanning patients once these steps are completed. However, the full action of sending an order will be feasible once the device has been authenticated. This process usually takes 2 days. Thank you for preparing your device to send custom foot orthotics orders. Please view our next video to continue learning how to use our 3D scanning app.